Boost Mobile cancels orders primarily due to payment issues, address mismatches, or suspected fraud. Payment flags occur if your payment declines due to insufficient funds or expired cards. Address flags arise from inconsistencies between billing, shipping, and residential addresses. Fraud flags are triggered by unusual activity, like multiple orders from the same IP or requesting high-value devices in low-income areas. These systems aim to prevent fraud, but often lead to legitimate cancellations. Boost Mobile's fraud detection is a double-edged sword, effective against scams but eroding customer trust. According to J.D. Power's 2025 Wireless Customer Satisfaction Study, Boost ranks lowest among prepaid carriers with a 25% cancellation rate for online orders versus 12% industry average. To resolve Boost Mobile order cancellations, follow these verification steps. First, verify your payment details are correct and up to date. Make sure your card has sufficient funds and hasn't expired. Ensure your billing and shipping addresses match your residential address exactly. Use residential addresses over P.O. boxes for residential lines. If flagged for fraud, disable any VPNs and be prepared to provide additional verification like ID or SSN. Contact Boost Mobile customer support to escalate and re-verify your information. Be prepared to upload utility bills or other proof of address. According to J.D. Power, Boost ranks lowest among prepaid carriers with a 25% cancellation rate for online orders compared to the 12% industry average.